OnePlus is making a bold statement with the OnePlus 13, proving you don't need to shell out for a Samsung or Google to get a premium Android experience in 2025. Priced at £899, it's a solid alternative that still feels luxurious. The stunning 6.8-inch QHD+ OLED display is vibrant and smooth, while the sleek design, especially in that eye-catching blue microfibre, stands out in a sea of glass and metal. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, this phone is lightning fast, handling demanding tasks with ease. And with a battery life of up to 50 hours, you won't be tethered to a charger. The camera system, featuring 350MP lenses, captures stunning photos, even in tricky lighting. OxygenOS 15 runs smoothly, although it has a few quirks. While OnePlus lags behind competitors in software updates, the overall package is impressive. For anyone looking for a top-tier Android without the hefty price tag of its rivals, the OnePlus 13 is definitely worth considering.